Hey, foodies and health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Thrive 411. Today we're diving into a hot topic, the pros and cons of eating vegan. Whether you're a seasoned vegan, curious about the lifestyle, or just looking for balanced information, this video is for you. Let's explore the plant-based world together. First on our list of pros is the potential for improved health. A vegan diet, when well-balanced, is rich in nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, which can contribute to better heart health, lower cholesterol, and improve digestion. Another major pro is the positive environmental impact. Going vegan can significantly reduce your carbon footprint, water usage, and the overall environmental strain associated with animal agriculture. For many, adopting a vegan lifestyle is driven by ethical considerations. Avoiding animal products aligns with the belief in cruelty-free living, promoting compassion towards animals, and reducing their exploitation. Weight management can also be a pro of a vegan diet. Plant-based diets are often naturally lower in calories and saturated fats, making it easier for some individuals to maintain a healthy weight. Now let's discuss the cons. One potential downside is the risk of nutrient deficiencies, particularly in vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vegans may need to pay extra attention to supplementation or carefully plan their diet to meet these nutritional needs. Social challenges can also arise. Dining out or attending social events may become more complicated, as vegan options are not always readily available. This can lead to feelings of isolation or difficulties in maintaining the lifestyle in certain social settings. Cost can be a consideration as well. Some argue that a vegan diet can be more expensive due to the perceived higher cost of plant-based alternatives and specialty products. Lastly, some individuals may experience sensitivities or allergies to certain plant-based foods, limiting their options and potentially impacting their ability to maintain a balanced vegan diet. In conclusion, the decision to go vegan comes with its own set of pros and cons. It's essential to weigh these factors based on your individual health, ethical beliefs, and lifestyle preferences. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, whatever your dietary choice, the key is to make informed decisions that align with your goals and values. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.